Good morning everyone. So this is day 2 of my traveling to Coron, and I'm going to Coron. Yeah, I'm again at the Culion Seaport. I already booked my ticket, which is 295 pesos to go to Coron. And today I think I'll be exploring Coron City, maybe climb the mountain. So I have arrived to Coron. Today it took a bit longer, about 1 hour, because the sea is quite rough. But yeah, now I'm going to Coron City and try to find a place to stay for tonight. This is the place I found here in Coron, named Happy Camper. So I put my camp here. Yeah, they have dormitories for 300 peso a night, a room for 150, and I have my own tent, so it's 200. It's about 2 kilometers from the seaport, so like really easy to walk. But if you want to take a tricycle, normally like for locals it costs 10 peso, but as a tourist probably you're going to be charged like 100 peso at least. So it's good to bargain. Anyway, I'll go and try to find a ferry going to Mindoro now. I have information. It's kind of on a highway towards the seaport, so probably I just missed it this morning. There are 3 ferries per week going to Mindoro, and the price is 900 peso. It takes 7 hours. So this was the parking area to go to Mount Tapias. This is as far as you can go by tricycle or motorcycle. From here you would need to hike. It's like 15 minutes, not too bad. If you see the cross, that's the top of the mountain. That's where I'm going now. So I have done climbed to the top of the mountain. Well, it's not really a climb, it's like a nice staircase going up, so takes about 15 minutes to get here with all the stops. The signage, the Coron signage is right here behind my back, and there's the cross. And the best thing about the mountain is the view. Just spectacular. I love it. It's really good to see the overall plan of Coron from here. Like, there's a seaport, and here's the center of the city. It's like a baywalk or beachfront, whatever you call it. I think I'll go check out the cross now, the last 10 meters. And this one here is the city plaza and the fountain, which is supposed to be working. There on the background is Mount Tapias, the one I just climbed. And here is the public market. So this one here is the Coron Baywalk, the one I saw from Mount Tapias. So I have finished a small walking tour of Coron City. I can't really say it's like super nice, it's just a city, nothing special, no beaches. The view from the mountain is amazing. If you're coming here, climb the mountain, that's like the best thing to do here. It's not really yet commercialized so much as El Nido, but a lot of tourists are coming here now, and I think with time it's going to be the same thing like El Nido, but not yet. Yeah, anyway, I'm going back to my camp now because I walked like 20 kilometers today, a bit tired, and tomorrow I think I'll take a tour. I found a tour at 150 pesos to see the lake.